Will the Philippine economy improve if Doggy picks his level 4 saber? On October 7, 2022, during Week 5 of MPL Philippines Season 10, Next Play Evos faced Blacklist International in what would later become one of the greatest what-if moments in MPL history. During the drafting phase of Game 2, Doggy was heard saying, "Ibigay niyo sa akin saber." The line instantly became legendary among Filipino Mobile Legends fans. Instead of giving Doggy the saber pick, NXPE placed him on Paquito Rome, while Kaizen locked in Saber Jungle. Blacklist eventually dominated the game with a convincing 25-13 finish. But according to completely serious and definitely reliable economists, that draft decision may have also affected the Philippine economy. At the time, the MPL Season 10 meta heavily favored burst assassins like Saber and Natalia. A roaming Saber could instantly eliminate key backline heroes before teamfights even started. Fans later began asking the question, what if Doggy got his Saber? In theory, the entire game changes. Blacklist rotations become slower. Their backline becomes vulnerable. Mid-game skirmishes become chaotic. Suddenly, NXPE gains momentum, but experts now believe the effects could have gone even further. Some claim the Philippine peso would have strengthened immediately after the first successful triple sweep. EDSA traffic allegedly decreases by 38%. Rice prices stabilize. Internet speed doubles nationwide. One fishball vendor reportedly stated, "If Doggy picks Saber, my business would have expanded internationally." Meanwhile, international analysts supposedly paused global trading just to watch the match replay. According to fictional economic projections, a successful Doggy Saber game would have increased national morale by 94%, making the Philippines the happiest country in Southeast Asia overnight. Students suddenly pass math exams. Group mates start replying on time. Even government websites stop crashing. Would NXPE actually defeat Blacklist International? Maybe not. Blacklist's chemistry during MPL Season 10 was still considered one of the strongest in Philippine esports history. But many fans believe one thing. If Doggy got his level 4 saber, the game would have become a war. And somewhere in another timeline, NXPE wins, the economy rises, and the Philippines becomes a first world country.
Kami, pinalago kami. Kalaban na yung Blacklist. Eto na yun. So,
S9 ta, S9.
S9. So, draft kami. Sa bootcamp. Drop kami. Na-fix ko na yung drop. Coach, eto yung drop. Tapos sinabi sa akin ng coach, kaya mo ba magpakita tank? Sabi ko, sige, so ayo.
Nag-boss 5 ka pakita ka dito.
Oh. Sabi ko, ang goal ko dyan, eto tol ha. Gagawin ko dito, tol, a-uppercut ko Lolita, cancel ulti na lang. If gagamitin ko tong Pakito. In-explain ko sa kanila kung ano yung mangyayari pag ginamit ko yung Pakito tank. Pag ma-realize naman lang nila. Kasi nagtitiking yung clock eh. Pagka nagsabi ko, pag nag-ulti Lolita dito,
Yun lang kaya kong gawin.
ayun lang kaya kong gawin, tol. Nothing, nada, wala na. Bigay mo sa akin yung saber, papatayin ko si Wise level 4. Tapos sabi nila, hindi. Mas maganda kung jungle yung saber. Pag one shot. Sabi ko, sure kayo dyan. Sabi ko, eto pa. Tinanong ko sa teammate, guys, sure kayo dyan. Lahat sila nag-agree doon. Okay. Kung lahat kayo nag-agree, team agreement to, Jiao. After netong game, ano ginawa ko?
Ano ginawa?
Tinawagan ko driver ko, uwi na tayo Pangasinan.
Rekta na.
Ayoko nang bumalik sa ayoko nang bumalik dito sa bootcamp ng Next Play. Ayoko nang umano. Out.